I picked up this double-sided bucket at Target. It was $5. Has this little handle, has the two sides, and it's really cute. I picked up these transfers from the Dollar Tree. This particular one, they have this little gold shimmer to it, and it says "Hello Summer," and it has flamingos and pineapples and just different things, but the biggest theme is the flamingos. So I'm going to start off by cutting out the "Hello Summer" with the pineapple. I'm going to put that in the center. And these work just like our transfers that you see on our site. These are kind of more like a foil. And they work pretty good. So anytime I see these at the Dollar Tree, I grab them. They have letters. They have different themes of different ones. I know I have used them before with you guys. And you just rub and you pull back and the foil stays behind. I'm going to grab this tall flamingo on the left-hand side. I'm really noticing flamingos are out and about this year. And I just try to rub with my finger at first because these are a lot smaller than the ones that we sell. And you want to make sure you take the time to rub the entire image before you pull back. And now I'm grabbing another flamingo. This one's kind of sitting down. I'm going to put that to the right side. And then this is a little saying. Honestly, I can't remember what it said. I think it said something like, "Don't be a pigeon, stand tall like a flamingo," or something like that. But there was enough images to go all the way around. So now I had this greenery. I picked these up at the Christmas tree shop. They're a few dollars. And I'm taking some green moss and then inserting the greenery just to kind of fill in the rest of the opening. Trimming off my green moss. And I found these flamingo garden stands. I don't know if you've ever seen any of these tools. You can pick these up a lot of times at the dollar store too. And you just put the metal through the hole that fits its size and you squeeze and they break off quite easily. So I put one of these bouncing flamingos on either side, and here you go. I tied a striped bow just to finish it off. And now you have this cute little centerpiece. You could put it outside, put it on a table. I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chalkitupfancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper transfers, and now mesh stencils, chalkitupfancy.com.